If your car suddenly starts running rough, struggles to accelerate, or feels like it's losing power, the problem might be smaller than you think. One of the most overlooked components in an engine is the spark plug wire. It may look like just a simple cable, but it plays a critical role in making your engine run smoothly. When a spark plug wire goes bad, your engine can misfire, waste fuel, and lose performance. The good news is that diagnosing a bad spark plug wire is something you can often do yourself with a little patience and basic knowledge. In this guide, we'll walk through what spark plug wires do, the common signs of a bad one, and simple ways to diagnose the problem before it becomes something more serious. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's begin. What a spark plug wire actually does. Before diagnosing a problem, it helps to understand the role spark plug wires play in your car. Your engine needs three main things to run properly: fuel, air, and spark. The spark is what ignites the air-fuel mixture inside the engine's cylinders. The ignition coil produces high-voltage electricity. This electricity travels through the spark plug wire. The wire delivers that voltage to the spark plug. Once the spark reaches the spark plug, it ignites the fuel mixture inside the cylinder. This small explosion is what powers your engine. Because spark plug wires carry extremely high voltage, they must be well insulated and in good condition. If the wire becomes damaged, cracked, or worn out, electricity can leak before reaching the spark plug. When that happens, the spark becomes weak or disappears entirely. That is when engine problems begin. Why spark plug wires go bad? Spark plug wires do not last forever. They operate in one of the harshest environments inside a vehicle. They are constantly exposed to heat from the engine. They experience vibration every time the engine runs. They also deal with moisture, dirt, and sometimes oil contamination. Over time, these conditions break down the insulation surrounding the wire. Common causes of spark plug wire failure include heat damage. Engines produce a lot of heat. Over time, this heat can dry out and crack the insulation, age, and wear. Most spark plug wires last between 60,000 and 100,000 miles. After that, they begin to degrade naturally. Oil contamination. Oil leaks from valve cover gaskets can soak the wires. Oil weakens the rubber insulation and leads to electrical leaks, physical damage. Wires can become damaged during maintenance if they are pulled incorrectly or bent too sharply. Poor quality wires. Cheap replacement wires often fail faster than high-quality sets. Understanding why wires fail can make diagnosing the issue easier. If you are liking the video so far, kindly comment, like, and share this video. Common signs of a bad spark plug wire. A failing spark plug wire usually sends warning signs before it completely stops working. If you notice these symptoms, it might be time to inspect your ignition system. Engine misfires. An engine misfire is one of the most obvious signs. When a spark plug wire fails, the spark may not reach the cylinder consistently. Without a proper spark, the fuel mixture cannot ignite. You might feel the engine stumble or jerk while driving. It can feel like the car briefly loses power. Sometimes the engine may even shake while idling. Rough idle. A healthy engine idles smoothly and steadily. When a spark plug wire is faulty, the engine may idle roughly. You may notice vibrations through the steering wheel or seat. The engine may sound uneven, almost like it is skipping a beat. Reduced engine power. Bad spark plug wires can weaken the spark. Reaching the cylinders. A weak spark means incomplete combustion. This reduces engine efficiency and power. You might notice slower acceleration or difficulty climbing hills. Poor fuel economy. When combustion is incomplete, the engine burns more fuel than necessary. That means your fuel economy drops if you suddenly find yourself filling up the tank. More often, ignition issues could be part of the problem. Difficulty starting the engine. A failing spark plug wire may struggle to deliver enough voltage for the spark plugs to ignite fuel during startup. This can make the engine crank longer before starting. In some cases, the car may fail to start entirely. Visible damage on the wires. Sometimes the problem can be seen. With a simple inspection, look for cracks in the insulation, burn marks, melted sections, loose connections, or corrosion at the terminals. Any of these signs indicate the wire should be replaced. Simple ways to diagnose a bad spark plug wire. The good news is you do not always need professional equipment to diagnose a bad spark plug wire. There are several simple tests you can perform. Perform a visual inspection. Start with the easiest step. Open the hood and locate the spark plug wires. They usually run from the ignition coil or distributor to each spark plug. Carefully inspect each wire. Check for cracks, burns, or brittle insulation. Look for wires that appear loose or disconnected. If the insulation looks worn or damaged, the wire is likely failing. Listen to the engine, start the engine, and listen carefully. A bad spark plug wire often causes a rhythmic misfire sound. The engine may sound uneven or rough. You might hear popping noises from the exhaust. These sounds indicate that one or more cylinders are not firing properly. Out the spray bottle test. This is a simple trick many mechanics use. With the engine running, lightly mist the spark plug wires with water using a spray bottle. Water increases conductivity around damaged wires. If a wire has cracked insulation, electricity may leak and cause visible sparks. You may even hear a ticking sound. If you see sparks jumping from the wire, it means the insulation has failed. Use a multimeter. A multimeter can help check the electrical resistance inside the wire. Disconnect the spark plug wire from both ends. Set your multimeter to measure resistance. In ohms, place one probe on each end of the wire. Most spark plug wires should have between 3,000 and 12,000 ohms per foot. If the reading is extremely high or shows no continuity, the wire is faulty. Note the nighttime inspection method. This is another classic diagnostic trick. Start the engine at night or in a dark garage. Look closely at the spark plug wires. If a wire is damaged, you may see small blue sparks jumping from the wire to nearby metal parts. This means electricity is leaking from the wire. Healthy wires should not produce visible sparks. Cylinder drop test. This method helps identify which cylinder is misfiring. With the engine running, carefully remove one spark plug wire at a time. If the engine speed drops significantly, that cylinder is working properly. If removing a wire causes little or no change, that cylinder may already be misfiring. That wire or spark plug could be the issue. When to replace spark plug wires? Even if only one wire appears faulty, replacing the entire set is often recommended. This is because all the wires usually wear out around the same time. Replacing them together ensures consistent ignition performance. Most manufacturers suggest replacing spark plug wires every 60,000 to 100,000 miles. However, high heat environments or poor quality wires may fail sooner. That is all for this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, kindly subscribe, like, and share, and tell us what you've learned so far. See you around.